welcome to Automation Partners AI. Today we are going to see how to set up the SMTP settings, and you can see we are on the SMTP setting of Legends the AI apps, and we on the previous video we set up the Gemini API keys, Google Cloud Console API keys. Now we are going to set up SMTP settings. So there are many SMTP providers on earth. You can pick any of them. We are not going to give any brand names because it might gonna harm their compliance or ours on the YouTube branding compliance or their policy. So we are not gonna name any of the SMTP providers. But if you want to use the SMTP provider that we are using, link on the description, you can use that and set up the SMTP settings. The reason we are using that SMTP because their support is amazing. Even they do many things for us and anybody, just in case if you're quite busy. Okay, even after we have plenty of veteran level and high quality developers and set up all these things from our end, sometimes we remain busy with the projects, so we take help from them. So you can buy from our links and set up your SMTP over here, and yeah, and that's it. So before you set up the SMTP settings, you need to know what it's all mean. So whatever the SMTP providers you use, you can copy and paste over there. You can ask them for those and you can go with this. Okay, so after revealing any information you are gonna see over there, don't try to do it because it's not gonna work. This already deleted. Okay, so I'm showing the SMTP setting existing information. This mail is not available. So if you have any mails, okay, custom domain mails, and that's mail address you want to send affiliates mails to AI, then that mail address need to be over here. And every mails have passwords, so you can check the email box. So you add that password for that particular specific mails. Let's say your info@alex.ai is your mail and the password is this, so you have to put that passwords. And SMTP servers is different SMTP providers have different SMTP servers. You can also get with SSL, TLS. You can ask your SMTP providers what security they are providing. Most of them provide both, like our SMTP server providers give both, so we don't need to worry to ask them. 465 is a default SMTP port for all over the world, most probably. And you can see the name. A name it will be sent to the mails by AI, our Legends AI apps. I mean AI. So that names need to be same as the mail apps. And you can see the test mails where the mail will show that every information that you put over here is perfectly done and it's sending into the mails. If it's sent on the spam box, make sure your DNS service is set up well, and otherwise it will go to the spam box. And if you want help with those things, you can also talk with us. We can provide any kind of supports and helps, no matter which SMTP providers you're using. We might gonna finish in 30 to 25 minutes, but make it done. Okay, we're not gonna give you, hey, yeah, let's see tomorrow or 2 days later, not like others. Okay,